Anmitsu is a traditional Japanese cold dessert, a bowl of cubed agar jelly called Kanten, topped with some fruits, Anko sweet red bean paste, and simple syrup. This chilled sweet is so soothing during hot and humid summer. First, we are going to make agar jelly called Kanten. In a pot, mix water, agar powder, and sugar. And cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until just before boiling. Pour the hot liquid in a mold. We are using 5 by 5 inches and chill it in the fridge for 1 hour. Next, we are making the syrup. Combine water and sugar in a small pot. Cook over medium heat and let boil for a couple of minutes and chill in the refrigerator. When the jelly is set, we are going to unmold and cut into cubes. You can adjust the texture of the jelly by adding more or less agar powder. Agar jelly looks similar to gelatin, but the texture is quite different, and it's vegan. Put cubed jelly in individual serving bowls. Add some fruits. You can use any fresh seasonal fruits, or more traditionally for this dessert, use canned fruits such as mandarin oranges and pineapples like we do here. Top with a small scoop of Anko sweet red bean paste, and not to forget the cherry, and pour some syrup over. If you don't care for Anko, skip it and add some vanilla ice cream, and you will enjoy the agar jelly's interesting and refreshing texture. Hope you give it a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。